This video is for anyone who loves coloring books or wants to start, but doesn't know which colors to buy, what the difference is between alcohol and acrylic markers, which white gel pen they'll need, and so on. I'm going to explain everything in this video. This video is not sponsored by any of the brands I'm going to mention. Let's start with markers. There are two types, alcohol and acrylic. The difference is, alcohol markers are alcohol-based and get absorbed by the paper. So if you color another layer on top, it mixes with the first layer of color. Acrylic markers, on the other hand, are oil and water-based. They don't mix or get absorbed by the paper, so whatever shade you use stays exactly the same. You can color on black paper with acrylic markers, but you can't use alcohol markers on black paper. See the difference? You can see the difference of how alcohol marker absorbs the ink. And on the other hand, acrylic marker doesn't. If you're a beginner and on a budget, start with the 48 color set from Ohuhu alcohol markers. And here's a common confusion. Don't go for the pastel shades first, go with the regular set. Another thing people get confused about is the tip type. These sets usually come with either a chisel brush, dual tip, or a brush fine dual tip. When I started, I bought the chisel and brush one, mainly because it was a bit cheaper in India compared to the fine and brush set, and I mostly use the brush side anyway. So it's really up to you and your preference. If both are the same price in your country, go with brush and fine. And once you get more advanced, you can move up to the 168 or 320 color sets. I started with the 48 color set because I was new. I didn't know how they'd work, how to use them, whether they'd hold up, or how to store them. And they dry out fast. Within 1 month, 2 or 3 of my markers had already dried out. After I learned how to store and take care of them properly, I expanded my collection. I recently picked up this pastel set and this 168 color set as well. Now let's talk about acrylic markers. When I started, I bought this set thinking they'd work well. They didn't. The worst purchase I made. Then I found the Queenstar acrylic markers, this 60 color set with a brush tip, and they work really well. If you can't find this brand in your country, Ohuhu also makes an acrylic marker set, and Arrtx has one too. I haven't personally used Ohuhu and Arrtx, but I've seen other artists use them, and the results look good, so you can go with those too. When I started, I also bought this white acrylic marker for white detailing. Please don't buy this. Get a white gel pen instead. I use the Brustro white gel pen, but Sakura Jelly Roll and Levin are good options too. If you can't find the one I'm using, any of these brands will give you the same result. Those are the main supplies you'll need to start your coloring journey. But I also use a few extra things because I come from an art background. So I already had a collection of colors, and I sometimes experiment with those, like these colored pencils. I bought these Faber-Castell, Staedtler, and Derwent pencils 9 or 10 years ago, and I use them when I want extra detail in my artwork. But if you're buying new, I'd recommend Prismacolor. They're excellent and really elevate the quality of your art. Besides these, I also have soft pastels, neon gel pens, and glitter and metallic gel pens. These are completely optional. I used them back when I didn't have every shade I needed. The goal was just to make the artwork look beautiful with what I had. In other words, you don't need expensive supplies to be an artist. You can create beautiful art with affordable colors too. It just takes practice and a bit of improvisation. I have used pastel and neon gel pens in these coloring pages. Now let's talk about the most important supply of all, coloring books. The pages I'm coloring in this video are ones I created myself. I'm an indie artist who recently started this coloring book journey, and I handle everything solo. These books are completely hand-drawn by me, and I also make tutorials on how to color them. I've already published 10 coloring books on Amazon. You can check them out on my profile. I also offer free coloring pages. The link is in my bio, so you can download a few and try them out first. I'm also planning to bring these coloring books to Amazon India soon, so stay in touch. I'd really appreciate it if you support me by picking up one of my books. It means a lot for the effort I put in. I'm still learning, still making mistakes, and fixing them as I go, so your suggestions are always welcome. Comment, DM me, or email me directly, and I'll try to work on it. Everything I shared today is something I learned from my own mistakes, and I know there's still a lot more for me to learn and improve on. Let me know in the comments what other questions you have, and I'll try to cover them in my next videos. I'll list all the art supplies mentioned in this video in the description so you can find them easily. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. There are a lot more tutorials coming. Share this with your friends and family so they can start coloring too. Thank you, bye-bye, see you soon!